All right. Whew. So what's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back in another video, and today we finally made it to LA, and we're opening the Vision Pro. I'm actually pretty excited about this. I tried it out today. Had a demo. I'm gonna post that video soon here, and they were able to fit me pretty well. I was able to try it out for the first time reaction there. But right now, we're just gonna focus on unboxing it and what's inside the Vision Pro. Let's go and open this up. Whoo. There is the box there. It got a little bit wet because it's raining out there. But it's all good. We got the 256 gigs version here. Just to try it out, you know, I'm not gonna spend 1 terabyte right away, and I didn't like maybe I don't like the device. I kind of regret buying a 256 now, but that's okay. It is the first gen product, and let's see if we can even fill up that 256. Let's open this up. 2 tabs on the side right there. 1, 2. Okay, here it is. Just this thing open. Right there. Ooh. There it is. Got the little Vision Pro in front there. This is the actual headset right there. Put that on the side for now. See what else is in the box. Premium unboxing, by the way. Look at this. That's thick cardboard there. Vision Pro pamphlet. Let's see if it has a... Oh, okay. It's like a book. As you could see there. See that? Pretty good. We have the cloth, I believe, on this one. Polishing cloth, yes. Let's open this guy up. There it is. Boom. This is like real microfiber. It's not like the thick version that we have, the normal polishing cloth. Put that there for now. This guy is the dual loop band. So if you don't like the single loop, you can use the dual loop band right here. Pretty much you'll be able to have more support on your head, like so, just like that. There it is. Put that on the side. Super premium stuff on the packaging there. Good job, Apple. This is the light seal cushion, which in my opinion, I don't know if you actually need it, but I guess some people say that it is important. As you could see there. Boom. There it is. Comes with that. It also comes with the battery pack right there. I don't like this part of the Vision Pro because the wires, it tangles a lot, right? Like when I was doing the demo, I was very careful where all the wires is at. I like how, comparing to the Meta Quest 3, Meta Quest series there, no battery packs or anything, no wire, right? But at least the battery life is about the same. So that's one good perk about that. Tell you a little story coming here. I really wanted to unbox this earlier, but the hotel decided that I can't I can't go in because the computers are down. So it took me a little bit. I did edit a video for you guys, so you guys can still have a video of me reacting my first time using the Vision Pro during my demo. It's a good thing. Here you go. It does say apparently here how many milliamp hour. There you go. It's 3166 milliamp hour. Boom. Now, I like how it comes with a USB-C braided cable here and a 30 watt, I believe. This is a USB-C 30 watt adapter, meaning you'll be able to plug in your Vision Pro battery pack on the wall when you are at home and when you're sitting around. That's it for the box. Let's open up the actual headset right here. Comes with the 2 tabs right there, and then this middle part just comes off. Again, super premium there. Now the sides does come off super easy, but once you have it on your head, it won't come off. But if you pull this little orange tab on the side, this back part comes off. Super premium as well for the back here, this solo loop. Very nice touch by Apple. And then you have this little kind of bra in the middle here so that to cover and protect your screen for your Vision Pro right there. Now everything is magnetic, as you know, Apple makes everything. They love magnets, so everything just comes off like that. Again, the side is also magnetic, so it'll just come off like so. And that's pretty much the Vision Pro. There you go. Subscribe, everyone. I'm gonna do more videos of these, trying it out, reviewing it, and if you have any questions, come see me below. Peace.